Welcome to Matthew's Test Kitchen. Today we're going to be making dirty rice. I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of butter and add that to our skillet. Then we're going to add in our ground pork. I'm going to cook that and brown that up. Ground pork is cooked. Add in 1 medium rough cut onion, 3 ribs of celery, 1 large bell pepper, 6 garlic toes, and we're gonna add half our green onions. Gonna let those saute down. And if it starts to stick at all, you can use a little white wine to deglaze the pan. I just added 3 tablespoons of black and red fish seasoning with a tablespoon of smoked paprika in it. And then if you don't have white wine to deglaze the pan, you can always use a little stock too. We're gonna add in 4 cups of stock and our rice in just a moment, so we can let this simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes to finish up our dirty rice. Add our 4 cups of stock in. Let that come up to a quick simmer. And then we'll add our rice in. That's gonna be 2 cups of long grain rice. All right, now that we got it up to a little bit of a simmer, we're gonna add our rice in and bring it back to a boil. And then we're gonna turn it to low and simmer it for about 25 to 35 minutes until it's done. All right, our dirty rice is done. I'm gonna cream in 1 more tablespoon of butter in it. Now you could substitute any type of meat you want. You could use wild boar, venison, any kind of ground beef or pork. In this case that I use, you could even substitute, you know, seafood if you wanted to. But today I used some ground pork. Get a little scoop of this. So we got our dirty rice here, sprinkled a little green onion on there for garnish. Looks great with that cream, little bit of butter, makes it nice and shiny. Great flavor, just a little bit of smoky heat from that redfish seasoning in there. Complements it so well with the bell peppers and onions and celery. This is great as a side dish, comfort food, or even your or even as a main dish, or just a good bowl of this with some fresh green onions any day. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Matthew's Test Kitchen. Today we're going to be making dirty rice.